Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ashraf Zaman Khan from Government Muslim Science College, Hyderabad. While discussing in analytic geometry the straight line, different forms of straight line we have discussed earlier, now we are come up to the two intercept form of the lines. So straight line can intercept on x-axis or by x-axis and y-axis. So we can see in further that what can we do to prove the two intercept line. So for the two intercept form of the line, we can see the line which is intercepting at x-axis at the point a comma 0, and y-intercept is y-axis is intercepting the line on the point p equal to 0 comma p, and there is an arbitrary point p xy. So the equation of the line is given by using the formula, that is 2-point formula. So we will discuss in the next step, we will discuss the form of the line. How can we prove this? So the statement is that two intercept form of the line, the equation of a line whose non-zero x and y intercepts are a and b respectively is given by x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So this is the whole statement we are going to prove by using 2-point formula. We have discussed the graph also. Then we will going to discuss about the proof. Let pxy be an arbitrary point on the line L whose non-zero x and y intercepts are a and b respectively. Now we have discussed earlier, and now we can also discuss that the x-intercept is the point at which x-axis is cutting the line, and the y-intercept is the point at which y-axis is cutting the line. So the a is a comma 0, and we can see in another words that the x-intercept is the point at the line is at which y coordinate or ordinate, the value of ordinate is equal to 0. And then in the same sense we can see that the y-intercept is the point at which x, the abscissa, the value of abscissa is equal to 0. So the points which are cutting by, which is cut by the line is cutting by the x-axis is x-intercept, and the point at which the y-axis is cutting the line, it is y-intercept. Now I think I have cleared my point, and then we are moving towards the proof. So obviously the points a comma 0 and b whose coordinate 0 comma b lie on the required line L. So 2 points form of the equation of the line is we will use in to prove this. So the 2-point form is that y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 under bracket x minus x1. So this is 2-point form. So if we consider a whose x coordinate is a and y coordinate is 0, and then b whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is b. So x1 is equal to a and y1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to b. So we will plug in the values in the formula written below. So what will happen? Y minus y1 means 0 is equal to b minus 0 means y2 is the value of y2 is equal to b minus value of y1 is equal to 0 divided by value of x2 is equal to 0 and minus the value of x1 is equal to a. So b minus 0 divided by 0 minus a under bracket x minus a means the value of x1. So we have plug in the values, and then we will simplify for the two intercept form. So after the simplification, on the right left hand side is equal to y equal to minus b over a under bracket x minus a. So we will simplify it further A is dividing on the right hand side, it will be multiplied by y. So ay is equal to minus bx, b multiplied by the whole bracket minus bx minus minus plus ab. A into b is equal to ab. Now bx will be shifted from right hand side to the left hand side. It is negative over here right hand side, it will be positive on the left hand side. So bx plus ay is equal to ab. Now bx plus ay is equal to ab, divide by ab on both sides. So if we divide by ab on both sides, so what will happen? Bx divided by ab, b will cancel out b, and then ay divided by ab, a will cancel out by a, and ab divided by ab is equal to 1. So the last form, at last we reach at the form that is two intercept form, that is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1 is the required two intercept form. So x over a plus y over b is equal to 1 is the required two intercept form of a straight line. So this concludes our today's lecture of various form of where we have discussed the various form of straight line, and in which x over a plus y over b is equal to 1, the two intercept form is really important, and we will encounter many problems in the exercise with this formula.